Ladies and gentlemen, this is the video guide that will help you to remove the online scam that is related to the website Youswebprotector.online. So this site, Youswebprotector.online, is totally faulty and deceptive. It claims to be related to the well-known security application, but I'm not going to mention this application. But this information is absolutely faulty. Such pop-ups are not related to any decent security program. Instead, these pop-ups could be pretty much the result of some adware enabled on the system. If you see these fake alerts by Youswebprotector.online, don't ever interact with them, don't click on any buttons, and if you click on this allow button, the browser may be hijacked even more considerably. I recommend you to thoroughly examine your system with Combo Cleaner antivirus, which will help you to detect and delete all sorts of other traces of malware or adware that could possibly remain on your system. You may get Combo Cleaner on this official page, combocleaner.com. So download the application, install it, and begin investigating your device with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.